La 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 la. Hey hey, I am Kaspar, also known as Brain Lion, and today I would like to talk to you about the brain health and the art of visualization. One of the biggest breakthroughs in my life came when I finally realized that everything psychological is actually physiological. Our thoughts, feelings, and behaviors are directly affected by our brain health. If you ever had a head injury or lived under chronic stress, that can affect your entire personality. And that's not weakness, it's neurology. It's not weakness, it's neurology. For years, I tried to change my life, my mindset, and my habits, but nothing really worked until I started taking better care of my brain. Oh, I love you, my brain. Let me take better care of you. Yes. And I started feeding my brain better. I started moving my body more. So you don't have to be an athlete. You just go for a daily walk. And I started learning new things and training my mind. So again, no rocket science here. Just read a book, or for example, you can brush your teeth with your left hand if you're a right-handed person. It's easy. And now it comes, because the brain can rewire itself. It's neuroplastic. I was finally able to change my patterns. One of the most powerful tools that supports this transformation is tada, visualization, baby. Imagine. And no, it's not some kind of spiritual hocus pocus. When you imagine yourself living the life you truly desire, whether it's love, freedom, health, or abundance. That's how the new you begins. Your brain starts creating real new neural pathways. And that's how new realities begin. And for example, if we all start visualizing peace instead of feeding fear by watching constant negativity, we can shift the collective too. I am Brain Lion, activating the power within. The brain is plastical, baby. Thank you for watching me and have a nice day. Ciao, ciao.